Well, welcome back. It's been a few days since I've tried something, and the last one I did was the seventh wave, which I really like the way that paint turned out, and it's kind of fun to do it that way. So I am going to incorporate the whatever that technique is with spreading it down, blowing it out, wiping it, and just having fun with it. But I'm going to incorporate that style with a open cup and kind of do two things at once here. So I'll kind of give you an idea of what I'm going to do. I'm going to have lay the paint down in lines here and bring it here and bring it around, and this middle part will be white with the open cup. So let me prove my point, and I'll put down kind of a leading edge of what I'm thinking of doing. And that's going to be the outline, and I will pour some white in the middle and move it around. And while I do that, you can go get some coffee or whatever you do, and I'm not letting you watch me. So anyway, I'll get the base down here ready to go, and then I'll be back. All right, here we are. Took me a few minutes to get the white down, and I'm going to start with the puddle right here. And put the cup in. And I'm going to start out with the light colors. Okay, let me torch it. Now, I'm not, I would say, a huge fan of purple. I wanted to try these color combos, so you don't know until you try something if it's going to be agreeable to your eyeballs. Okay, now kind of let that do its thing. I am going to, it's going to be fun tipping it without getting it in my area that I want to do the swiping in. So let's go this way. And then come back. Oh, fun. Oh, you're just saying that, Richard. No, I could mean it. I guess I'm under the camera. Okay, I'm going to kind of bring it back and kind of get it centered there. I think I'm going to just kind of leave it like that. Once I get these edges going, then I'm not really going to be able to tip it anymore. So my tipping days could be done with this one. But that combination doesn't look too bad there, does it? No, it does not. Okay. So now, okay. And this white is Artist Loft, and it was supposed to be called something white. Iridescent white, I think is what it's called. So I wanted, whoops, I may have got a little much. I wanted to try and see what this was like. Okay, now for the smooshy gribbles. Ready? Now, I forgot one color, and it's silver. And I was going to try a little silver in this. And I will try a touch more of white. And a little bit more of the dark blue. Why? Because I like it, that's why. All right, I think I've got everybody there. Now remember last time I did the blower. Whoa, I'm going to get this out of there while I can. Come on. Ooh. Do it right, Richard, or don't do it at all. Well, for crap on a crutch. Well, I guess I can't say that on public broadcasting, can I? But I can say it on YouTube. Yeah, that'll get it. Just poop right over it. All right, there's that. Okay, here comes the trickery. Ready? Okay, you know what I was doing? I was going for the Bonehead Award, and I would have won, by the way. I need to get these little cups out of the way before I blow them all over the place. Hold on. I don't need a Bonehead Award today. I've already got an award for that. I've done that before. Okay, I got them all little cup. Nope, don't have all the cups out of the way. Okay, here we go. All right. Oh, wait a minute. I tell you what. Let's do a little torturama. As I see a bubble there. Whoa. Okay. Ready? Now let's try it again. Here we go. Okay. I got my wires crossed up here. Sorry about that. Okay, maybe a little touch with the little blower, mini blower. I'm liking this. Okay, what do you think? I'll give it an A for effort, and then we'll give it a D for different. I think it's different. And I'm going to pat the sides here. I find it's easier to pat the sides with the paper towel. And it covers it better. And it gives a little motley look, which is nice. If you're into motley. Job. Yeah. Well, A for effort and D for different. And by golly, it is. How fun. How very, very fun. All right, I'll torch it again, and we'll let it sit for a while and see if the paints will interact any more than they already have. And then we'll come back for a wrap-up. So hang in there, I'll be back. Well, here we are. Little close-up. Yeah, I don't mind the two techniques together. I think you can do something with this. Also using other colors, of course. But the techniques together are kind of fun, I think. So I may work on this and do a couple more later on. Different color combos, and yeah, just mix it up a little bit. So for this little exercise, I'd say we had fun. Oh, this is Richard B saying thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.